Hi everyone. Since we're at the end of the first chapter of our M cubed unit, there is a checkup. So you need to work on this checkup at your own pace on Friday or over the weekend because it will be due on Monday. So this is the first page is a crossword, and it was impossible to make these teeny tiny squares, and so you may have to print this out and write your answers on separate paper, or you can just write your answers on separate paper, as in you would take your paper and write one down, write the word, and then two across, however it works. You do not have to do it. You can skip this if you'd rather not, but you can work on it on separate paper. The second page is just a fill in the blank. So you're looking at the words in the word bank and you are filling in the blank with the appropriate term for that word. Pretty easy. So type your name here and the date and go from there. Now page 3. The directions were a little confusing to me, so I thought they might be confusing to you as well, so I wrote them out on the side in different words. So it says you are trying to make as many different sets of three-of-a-kind shapes as possible using the shapes below. Once you make a set, put the shapes back in the pile to use again for another set. So you're not going to have anything to print out and use to do this. So I just put this in different words. So for question 3, look at the shapes across the top and think about each direction like this. Can you make a set of 3 parallelograms? So you look at all 5 of these shapes. Can you make 3 parallelograms? Are there 3 parallelograms here? Can you make a set of 3 rectangles? Are there 3 rectangles here? Can you make a set of 3 squares? Are there 3 squares here? Can you make a set of 3 rhombi? Are there 3 rhombi here? Can you make a set of 3 trapezoids? Can you make a set of 3 regular polygons? So if the answer is yes, you're going to circle that here. All right, and then on to the 4th page. Oh, sorry, at the bottom, you're going to circle an edge on this shape. You're going to shade a face. So in order to shade, you need to come up here and get a drawing tool. So you select a line, you can select the scribble, and you can make it whatever color you want and color it in. And then you're going to draw an arrow pointing to a vertex on the shape shown below. So again, you're going to come to this drawing tool and select an arrow. All right. Then the next page, you don't have to do it because we were not able to play this game because we can't print stuff out. So you're not going to be able to do this page, so you can skip it. Then on the last page, you're going to use your geometry vocabulary to answer the questions. So how are the square pyramid and the square prism alike? List as many ways as you can. So that means not one. You need to list at least 3. So that's what you're doing. And then how can the square pyramid and the square prism, or how are the square pyramid and the square prism different? List as many ways as you can. So you're looking at, you're comparing and contrasting those 2 shapes. All right. So if you start on this and you have any questions, obviously I can certainly talk to you over the weekend. You can post your questions on the assignment. Okay? All right. See you soon. Bye.